This is the day 6 video, and this is one of my favorite rides that you will see. This takes us from Red Lodge, which is where we ended up last night, and I made a video there by the river in Red Lodge. This takes us from Red Lodge over to Cook City, where we have breakfast. That's about an hour and a half ride, which is one of the most magnificent rides. This is why we come to Montana, is to ride Beartooth Pass, and it is just phenomenal. It's switchbacks, very few guardrails. You get up above the tree line, you can see the Whitecap Mountains. It's just phenomenal. So if you're in the Montana Red Lodge area, you owe it to yourself to go drive Beartooth Pass. From there, we went to Yellowstone. We went in close to Cook City, and then came out the east exit of Yellowstone. So just a little bit into Yellowstone, saw a lot of buffalo, a lot of wildlife, a lot of beautiful scenery. So it's been the first time I've actually ridden through Yellowstone, and I was there when I was young with my family, but this is the first time I've ridden it. So it was a great trip, a long day, but we had a wonderful time. So I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you down the trail. Good morning. We just rode in from Red Lodge over to Cook City to eat breakfast, about 61 miles over Beartooth Pass. As you just saw, it is spectacular. It was pretty cold, but it was well worth it. Beautiful views. The intro picture that is on this trip is actually from last year's trek over Beartooth Pass, and so this was a great morning. We're about to go into the bistro, one of our favorite places to eat breakfast in Cook City, and then we'll be heading to Cody, Wyoming. So it'll be a good day. We're starting our trip back to Texas. We'll be keeping up with you down the trail. See ya.